Alright, update time on the Volvo. Got it for the most part together. Still need to go to the muffler shop and get the downpipe made up. I'm going to go with a 4-inch downpipe. Here's the, I don't know if you can see it in there, the intercooler is mounted. All of the piping came out pretty good. Wasn't too bad. The turbo I ended up going with is a Holset HX40. It has the Super 60 wheel. I think it's a 7-blade. I did get the header wrapped, which you can kind of see. It's a lot of close fits over there, but it worked. Just takes some moving stuff around. I still need to get some bigger injectors for it. I think I'm going to go with 120 pounders. Go ahead and start it here for you. Still also have some wiring to put up. And it's wet from washing.